What's the meaning of concerned? Concerned. Concerned.
Concerned. Concerned. Concerned is an adjective that describes a feeling of interest, care, or worry about something or someone. When someone is concerned about something, they are focused on it and are often actively seeking a resolution or improvement. This feeling can stem from a variety of reasons such as personal connections, ethical considerations, or a sense of responsibility. Being concerned can prompt individuals to take action to address issues that they are passionate about or that affect them directly. Overall, being concerned is a natural human emotion that can drive positive change in the world.